Not all money is created equal, at least not in terms of how quickly you can access it when you actually need it. That idea is called liquidity, and it's one of the most practical concepts in personal finance. Liquidity simply describes how easily something can be converted into cash without losing significant value in the process. Cash itself is the most liquid asset there is. A savings account is highly liquid too, but things like property, certain investments, or long-term assets are far less liquid. Converting them into cash can take time, effort, or sometimes a loss in value if you need the money urgently. This becomes important the moment life throws something unexpected at you: an emergency expense, a sudden change in circumstances, an opportunity that requires quick access to funds. If most of your money is tied up in things that take time to convert into cash, you can end up in a difficult position, even if you technically have enough wealth on paper. This is exactly why financial guidance often emphasizes balance. Having some accessible, liquid funds available isn't about avoiding investment or growth. It's about making sure you're not forced into a bad decision simply because your money wasn't accessible when you needed it. A healthy financial foundation usually includes a mix: some liquidity for flexibility and security, and some longer-term, less liquid investments for growth over time. Understanding that balance and how to structure it for your specific situation is exactly the kind of guidance that makes a real difference. At NeoRiseWay, this is the kind of practical, grounded thinking we focus on, helping you build a financial foundation that works for real life, not just in theory. Subscribe to NeoRiseWay for financial guidance, community insights, and content built around how people actually live.